Doesn't smell like anything. It tastes like, doesn't taste like peanut butter at all. I'm definitely going to be writing these guys an email. Let's do that after I'm done trying this. Tastes like wheat, yeah. That's what someone said in there. Tastes like it's made with organic barley flour, and that's exactly what it tastes like. It says peanut butter. Doesn't taste like peanut butter, does it? Oscar's had peanut butter. He's been getting ripped off. And now it's just like sitting in a lump in the side of my mouth because it's so gross and I don't want to swallow it. But here goes. Maybe dogs have more sensitive sense of taste and can taste the peanut butter. How would you know that? See, they weren't expecting anyone to actually try this stuff. So now we know. Alright. Nope. Yep. Alright, so Newman's Own Organics. Does anyone want to track down their email? Someone go find Newman's